Vedeni Energy has a strong focus on the live markets that drive the grid. So given that and our topic today, I'm hoping you talk about how the evolution of data analytics has improved solar generation forecasting and what role does that play in optimizing the participation in broader wholesale markets?
Sure thing, Matt. So the evolution of data analytics has been transformative in solar forecasting. The use of advanced machine learning models, which now integrate historical weather data, satellite imagery, and real-time meteorological inputs to predict solar output with high precision. This reduces some of the uncertainty in the day-ahead to real-time market participation, which allows solar operators to submit bids that are closer to actual generation. By minimizing the forecasting errors, these tools can help avoid penalties for imbalances that you see happening in some of the markets, improve grid reliability, and then maximize revenue streams for the asset owners. As wholesale markets increasingly reward predictability and reliability, accurate forecasting becomes a key competitive advantage for the solar operators.
Right, and I imagine it's not just the the forecasting, but also just maximizing the value of assets once they're in there, of solar and storage, and how owners can utilize them best in the wholesale markets. Can you talk about how that those come together, especially in terms of things like price arbitrage, ancillary services, things like that?
Are you talking about the competitive bidding strategies, Matt, or?
I'm just talking about the ways that using analytics can maximize the value of the market. So whether it is those bidding strategies or just once they're deployed, what can the owners best use?
Sure. So the data analytics can provide some very deep insights into historical price patterns, peak demand periods, and system constraints, which enables the solar developers to craft more informed bidding strategies, right? Allowing them to take advantage of more revenue streams and to kind of maximize the profitability of their assets. For example, analysts can help predict price spikes or periods of negative pricing, which can allow operators to adjust their bids accordingly. By analyzing competitor behavior and nodal pricing trends, developers can also identify some strategic opportunities for maximizing revenues. Furthermore, the analytical tools can simulate market scenarios, helping the solar providers test and refine their bidding strategies in response to evolving conditions.